Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use smart charging and battery health on the INFINIX Note 60. First, go into Settings and find Battery and Power Saving. Here, find Battery Health and Charging. We can go into Charging Speed. We have two options. Smart Charge intelligently adjusts charging speed for the best effect, and Low Temp Charge reduces battery temperature while charging to extend lifespan, though it also reduces speed. Change it to your liking, then go into Battery Health. Here we have maximum battery capacity and cycle count. Each time the consumed power totals the battery capacity, it counts as one charge cycle. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.